I ain't digging that. Y'all see that? I ain't digging that. What's happening? It's your favorite borough. You ever pick up a box of sneakers or hold your sneakers in your hand and you be like, this might be the one? Well, I think these here might be the one. SB Navy 4s, the Navy joints. Let's talk about it though.
Is it juicy and wet? I don't even gangbang.
So hard to take them out and just lace them.
Realize that it lights up. The charger is inside.
I wear them that often. It's a nice shoe.
I haven't taken these out the box yet. I did take it out the package, but I haven't taken them out the box yet. So we got to do it. Fire. Fire. Big breath. Is it wrapped in the paper? Oh, that's different. I can't.
It's there. Oh, and it's there.
We got the SB Navy 4s. And when I say these are the 4s, but with the twist, these are the 4s with the twist. These are clean. Like this is a clean shoe. Gumdrop bottom to the mesh to the suede to the
wetness on the top.
Are they better than the pine greens? I don't like that. That look cheap. That look real cheap. These are real different. I'm gonna say material wise, off of first impressions, it's not as good as the pine green 4s. You can never go wrong with blue. Blue is always gonna be a good colorway. You got blue jeans, you got white and blue. This is a good shoe for the summer. I think this is a good year-round shoe. Do I put this in my top 10? Probably.
Number 10.
Because with everything else that's dropping this year, I still ain't get them brick by brick 4s, but we ain't got to talk about it. So let's go on to the details of the shoe. You got the navy suede on the top and the mesh on the side panel. Also, we got the classic SB tweaks and the padded on the tongue and flexible forefoot. And I'm gonna say this flex is a little bit, it's a little too much flex for me, because I don't even think the SB, the pine green joints flex like this. This little hoe is flexible. And I don't like that. They be right here. It ain't it. I digress. We'll go a little deeper. When you look at the shoe, it's just like Nike and the skateboarder had a baby, but it's a hype baby. When I said the hype was real on these, the hype was crazy. When I missed the actual drop for it, I was like, you know what? Let me just see if I can get it for resale. But the good Lord told me to hold it down and wait a little longer because my time is coming. Overall, with the material and the design on these, I'm going to say it's okay. It's not a pine green 4. It's not giving the vibes of a pine green 4, but it's cool. It's a normal 4. The hype was there. The hype is now gone, but I am happy that I did get a pair. Now, when it comes to comfort, I went true to size, which I'm an 8 in men, 9.5 in women. The pine green joints, they fit perfectly. With every 4, they're made a little wider cut.
Regardless, I got wide feet.
And baby, 4s always do me well. And then you have the SB cushion, so it feels softer. Like compared to your normal 4s, the SB4s are built with more cushion, but I do believe that the pine greens had more cushion in them than these joints right here. And it's given, this one looks good. This one was looking a little slanted. So, y'all see that? The way that just flick like that, I gotta see if my pine joints do that. Overall, the suede is good. One thing I do love about these is that it's a clean shoe, and this is gonna be an easy wear. You can wear whatever you want with this. You can honestly, if you want, you can throw on something red with this, and it's still gonna pop. It's still gonna pop. Like it's still gonna hit. Although it's white and blue, you gotta get the slight tones on there. And when I say the slight tones is what's gonna bring it out. Overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I give this shoe a 7. Yeah, I know that these are some people top 10, top 5 shoes. This just ain't mine. Let me know, did you guys get to pick up the SB4s? And if not, you can still pick them up. Realistically, resale price is not bad. So if you do wanna pick these up, I say go ahead and pick it up now. Let me know, did you pick them up? Did you not get to pick them up? Are you gonna pay resale for it? But I do think later on this year, there could be another potential drop with these because Nike be hitting us with stuff. If this is your first time here, thank you for hanging out. Thank you for watching. I do appreciate y'all kicking it with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if you picked up the SB4s, because what's your opinions as far as the material? Do you see this shoe going up in stock prices? I don't. I don't see it going up at all, but that's here nor there. I do appreciate you all for hanging out. It is Flocko, your favorite fucking burl. I will catch y'all next time. And don't forget to subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Be good to your people. Love on each other. And if they don't know your value, you're still valuable. I'm out.